Hello guys, this Jazz from Oasisdemics. Jazz is spelled Jas. Yeah. Welcome to today's class. Today I'll be teaching us how to generate our own mockup with the use of Photoshop. How to generate your own mockup using Photoshop. I'll be working with Photoshop since 2022, and this can also be generated with any Photoshop at your disposal. So please do make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also ensure you share this video so that it will reach people that will also be in need of it. So without further ado, journey with me. So I downloaded this picture online, and you can also download this online once you want to practice. This is the picture of a shoe and also Adidas logo. So what we want to do is we want to ensure that we position the Adidas logo in this space of the shoe. Yeah, in this brown space here, in such a way that it will look like the watermark of Adidas, just like the trademark of Adidas, like Adidas is the one producing the shoe. Yeah, so you can also use this on any of your products that you sell, or as a designer you can just use this for the product of your client. So the first thing I'm going to do is to ensure that I reduce the size of this my logo. I'll use the transform key by pressing Ctrl T, and I'm going to come here and reduce this. Yeah, after that I'm going to come here towards the edge and rotate. In order to have a perfect rotation, I'm going to hit the shift key and rotate towards the right side. Yeah, just like that. I'm going to reduce this the more. Exactly. So after this, you can press the enter key, or you come here and click on this check button here. Yeah, correct. So once you achieve this, the next thing we are going to do is I'm going to press the right click button and come to the blending option here. So this blending option will take us to the layer style. And under this layer style, we have different options. For the blending option here, we have the gray, we have the red, we have the green, we have the blue. So we'll be working with the default color selected here, which is gray, because we are working on something that has to do with black color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust this slider of the underlying layer in such a way that the Adidas logo will look faded. Yes, so exactly that's the objective. So I'm going to come here and adjust this slider that is towards the dark side. Now I will split this slider up by pressing Alt key and then drag to the right. Yeah, exactly. I will come here also, the slider to the right, to the white side. I'm going to drag it here to the left. I can do the splitting up by pressing Alt key again and come like this. Exactly. So now if you check this, it seems we already have our result, what we are working towards. And once you have this, we can then press the OK button. Now if you check the before and the after, this is before and this is after. So I'm just going to adjust the position of my logo. So the next thing I'm going to do is to position this logo to the other pair of the shoe. So I'm going to press Ctrl J to duplicate, or you can just come here, click and drag this on this plus sign here. Once you do this, the logo will be duplicated. So you can move this to the other side, and once you do that, you hit your transform key by pressing Ctrl T and you right click and then go to rotate 180 degree. Exactly. And you are going to adjust the position of your logo. After that, you can press Ctrl 0 to fit to page. Yeah, exactly. With this, we already have our result. So let me group this. Just name it shoe mockup. Yeah, so this is our result before. This is the shoe unbranded, and this is branded. Yeah, I believe this very simple approach that you can try out anytime you are free and apply for your next project. Please do make sure you like and subscribe, and also do make sure you share, and please comment on this video for me to know your view. You can drop on the comment section the next thing you wish and desire to learn. Until next time, cheers.